I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube about LED hanging kits, and there's a lot of different people doing it differently. So I came up with my own little idea. I just needed a good access to, like you see, I'm just starting. I don't have a lot of corals, so I just needed good access to my rocks, and I wanted to move the lights. It didn't matter if up, down, left, right. I just wanted to get an easy access to my rocks. So came up with regular 1.5 PVC pipes mounted on the behind the tank. They swerve from left to right. Simply made. It's maybe $15 the total, and drilled a hole on top to get my electrical wired through the pipe down to the electric outlet. Looks nice and clean. They move, so, and it looks sharp. And there you go. Easy access to a fish tank. You can do whatever you want. You can move it, you can clean it. I can get back to a back glass nicely. So, access to everything. And that's what it's all about, right? An easy access. Thanks, guys.